Poulet. Spiced chicken. A main dish from Cameroon. Serves 2. You will need 11 ingredients. Step 1. Wash and cut chicken into desired sizes. Put chicken in a large bowl, put ingredients in, except small onion and oil, and mix very well. Let marinate for at least 4 hours. Step 2. Put the oil in a large cooking pot. When oil gets hot, put in the small chopped onion. Cook until translucent. Add in seasoned chicken and cook at medium heat for about 45 minutes to an hour. Step 3. You can cook longer. Serve with rice, depending on the amount of juice roasted you want. Plantains, mayando, or whatever you desire. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.